Best car insurance for young drivers and top recommended companies. Learning to drive and getting your first driver's license is pretty exciting. But things can get less exciting when it comes to the insurance bill that's due when signing up for coverage. It's no secret that young drivers pay more for vehicle insurance, owing to their inexperience, which renders them more prone to accidents. In today's video, we'll be listing down the top recommended car insurance companies for young and new drivers. Geico. Geico made this list for the same reason it topped other best of rankings lists. Geico is known to provide competitive prices for young drivers countrywide. According to analysts, the average annual additional premium full coverage for a 16-year-old is $2,009. According to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, or NAIC, Geico also has a low amount of complaints, as well as good customer satisfaction levels according to JD Power surveys. If you need to lower your premium, Geico's broad discounts aimed exclusively at young drivers make it an excellent option. This includes a good student discount for students with B averages or better, savings up to 15%, a new vehicle discount, savings up to 15%, a multi-car discount, savings up to 25%, and a good driver discount for young adults who have gone 5 years accident-free, save up to 22%. These are substantial discounts, and a lot of people commend Geico's openness about how much you can save, which is one of a kind, since other insurers may claim to offer savings, but they do not specify how much you can save. In terms of rates, Geico has the lowest average rates offered for new drivers between the ages of 21 and 25. The average annual premium for minimum coverage ranges from $428 to $715, while the average annual premium for full coverage can be from $1,676 to $2,700 at the time that the policy was granted. USAA. In addition to providing low vehicle insurance rates for young adults, USAA has an excellent reputation among its member customers for claims handling, with more than 85% of USAA customers saying they are likely or very likely to renew their policies when they expire. Based on our reviews, USAA also has top-notch rates for young adult drivers. A male young adult driver with USAA can expect to pay $1,086 per year for vehicle insurance. According to our data, a female of the same age earns an average of $1,033 each year. Both indicate more than $400 in savings when compared to the average representative pricing for this age group in our rate survey of the nation's top insurance firms. One thing to take note of, however, is that this car insurance company only services current military members, retired veterans, honorably discharged former military personnel, and eligible members of their families, which makes it difficult for consumers to get memberships. With a national yearly average cost of $1,783, USAA's average rate for a driver aged 18 to 25 is lower than most of its competitors. But before we continue, go ahead and click the subscribe and like buttons. It takes a lot to make these videos. Your small actions tell YouTube to keep promoting our videos. Also tell us in the comments section which car insurance company you believe offers the best deal. Thanks. Now back to the video. State Farm. State Farm is another company with widespread distribution in the United States and a large range of discounts for young drivers. State Farm's Drive Safe and Save app, which analyzes your driving behavior, has the potential to save you up to 30%. State Farm also offers a program for teens and young adults called Steer Clear, which helps you to save money while teaching your child how to drive safely. Also, drivers under the age of 25 with no at-fault accidents or driving infractions in the previous 3 years might save up to 15%, which qualifies you for this discount far faster than with Geico. Young adults typically require assistance in negotiating the challenges of university life or leaving the nest to live on their own or establish a family. State Farm's fantastic roadside assistance program makes life a little easier for young adults. Battery jump starts, fuel delivery, locksmith service, towing, and up to 1 hour of roadside repair labor are all included in the coverage. Plus, if you have a college student who only uses their car while they are at home on vacation or holidays, you are eligible for a student away at school discount. If you prefer dealing with a local agent, State Farm may be a suitable option for young adult vehicle insurance. The average yearly cost for minimal coverage ranges from $558 to $1,014, while the average annual premium for full coverage ranges from $1,695 to $2,900, depending on the driver's age when the policy is issued. Nationwide. Nationwide is another excellent choice if you're looking for vehicle insurance with a lot of customization possibilities. To help teens and young drivers develop customized auto insurance, the company offers a variety of coverage add-ons such as roadside assistance and gap insurance. Young drivers can also enroll in Nationwide's Smart Ride program, where they may be able to save money on auto insurance. What happens is that an app is used to track acceleration, braking, idle time, mileage, and nighttime driving in the usage-based insurance rating program. Because many college students who reside on campus spend less time behind the wheel. Limiting driving and developing excellent driving practices may result in cost savings. Drivers receive a 10% discount on certain coverage types only for enrolling in this telematics program, and may earn up to a 40% discount on certain coverage types based on their driving habits. Nationwide's pricing for young adult drivers is slightly more than the national averages revealed by our survey, but it is still among the cheapest. Young adult female drivers have a study rate of $1,497, which is around $10 higher than the average for the companies we looked at. The average rate for young adult men is $1,608, which is roughly $54 higher than the national average. Progressive. Everyone knows Flo from Progressive, but did you know she also has a Twitter account with almost 68,000 followers? Along with Flo's popularity, Progressive boasts a low number of complaints around the country. Progressive had a score of 1.05 out of 1.00 on the NAIC index. Above 1 means more complaints. Furthermore, the average yearly additional premium for full coverage for a 16-year-old is $2,085, which is less than the national average. Progressive also offers a variety of savings to families with numerous vehicles, as well as teen drivers and college students. Teen drivers who are 18 or younger and have been insured for at least 12 months may be eligible for a teen driver discount, in addition to the typical good student discount. Progressive offers a discount to students who leave their cars at home while attending school more than 100 miles away, as well as those who do not drive a lot. Progressive retains a competitive advantage through special tools, such as the Name Your Price tool and the Snapshot program. Name Your Price creates a progressive policy depending on your budget, and Snapshot collects data about your driving patterns through an app on your phone to alter costs based on driving behavior. Progressive is a solid competitor for the best insurance for new drivers, with discounts like Snapshot and accident forgiveness that won't raise your premiums after your first at-fault accident. Travelers. In our rating of the best vehicle insurance providers, Travelers ranks near the bottom of the list. This company lags behind competitors in terms of client loyalty, but a lot of experts agree that Travelers is still a good choice for its competitive rates. The company's rates for the young adult driver profiles aren't the cheapest, but they're still a good deal. Based on reviews, the indicative rate for a young adult female driver is $1,348 per year, whereas our sample male consumer receives a study premium of $1,398. Representative rates for young adult drivers are $140 and $156, lower than the average of other companies.